How to follow someone on Instagram. How to teach you how to follow friends, celebrities, and organizations on Instagram. 1. Open the Instagram app by tapping the icon on your phone. The icon looks like a camera and should say Instagram underneath it. If prompted, select your Instagram account and log in. 2. Open the search tab by tapping the magnifying glass at the bottom of the screen. 3. In the search bar at the top of the screen, type the name of the person or organization you want to follow. 4. Tap the name of the user you want to follow. If the user you're looking for doesn't show up, ask them what their Instagram username is. If you want to follow a celebrity or organization but can't find their account, try searching for their Instagram username on Google. 5. Tap the follow button at the top of the screen. 6. Follow additional users on Instagram from your Facebook friends and contacts. Select your profile by tapping the button shaped like a person at the bottom right of the screen. Tap the at the top right of the page to open more options. Under Follow People, tap Facebook Friends to follow users from your Facebook friends, and tap Contacts to follow users from your phone's contact list.